Hello, this is Exeter with my 30th magic trick. Okay. For this trick I'm going to do a trick download on that phone magic, okay? Right, so tell when to stop. Okay. Reduce that. Right, so you say stop. There. Okay, that's your card. Okay, we'll put that on top of the deck. Right, and then give the deck a shuffle. Okay. Another shuffle. Okay. And then we'll give it just a bit of shuffle. Okay. So now I'm going to ask you, is that your card? No. Right, we'll slip that into the middle of the deck. Right, for this trick, putting the deck down there. For this trick, I'm going to be using my phone. Okay, so if we go on it, and it'll tell us your card. My phone's been doing. My phone hasn't been turning on all day. I thought it'd turn on now. Let's have a look at it. Okay. What? That ain't even a battery. It's a card. Was that your card? The four of hearts. Was that your card? That was Exeter. See ya.